Balmain, D squared, Mason Margiela. Bro, we're cooking.
What's up, my silly goosies? It's Thrift Gang back with another vlog. Last week was pretty good. This week is gonna be good. Let's just go out. Let's have a good day. It's cloudy outside. I swear, I haven't seen the sun in a fucking minute, so it's a bit depressing, but we all good. Let's go see what we can find today. Let's go. Let's go. Wee.
So first find of the day are these jerseys. I'm not necessarily sure what they are, but they look like, I don't know. I really don't know. Like, they're not NHL jerseys. I know Samsonov. I know he's a hockey player, so this might be like one of his like rookie jerseys. I don't know. Like, this is Michael Curtis, I'm thinking. Oh, that fell off great. This is a crazy jersey too, so I think this might be sick. I just don't know what these jerseys are. There's a Vipers one, and then a Phoenix Roadrunner one. Like, fuck, like I really don't know. I feel like these might be like really good, but I don't know at the same time. I gotta do more research. Two more pieces for today. We got this really cool Lamar Snowboards long sleeve. I think Lamar Snowboards got discontinued in like the late 90s or early, I don't remember. This is a really sick piece. The back graphic goes really hard. It's like a little face and those are lips. I don't know. It's kind of dope. Then we got this polo jacket. I'm not too crazy about it, but it's all right. But this Lamar piece, super dope. I'm gonna get it. All right, guys, another cool pull for this morning is this 2003 Punisher shirt. This is kind of fucking fire. If this was 90s, it'd be more insane, but still, really like this one. It's on that Allstate tag, size large. If it was an XL, that'd be perfect, but not complaining. For $6, lovely. Today was all right. Today was cool. That jersey haul was probably like the sickest thing. I'm gonna have to do a bit more research, but yeah, I don't really know. Let's go for day 2. Hopefully day 2 is sick. But yeah, let's see. Bye. Day 2, beautiful people. Let's go fucking cook today. Yesterday wasn't crazy, but today hopefully is gonna be crazy. So let's go see. Yeah. All right, guys. First finds of the day. We got this beautiful 90s Nike zip up quarter zip. This is fucking dope. I've never seen this one before. It's on that beautiful old 90s Nike tag. Size large, lovely. Then we got this Ocean Pacific piece. I don't know if I'm gonna get this one, but the Nike piece I'm definitely gonna get. Hey guys, it's been quite slow, but we still got this polo knit. It's not too bad, it's not too great, but like, it's 90s. I like that. It's only $9. It's kind of clean. Wish there was like no pattern, but pattern's kind of nice. We'll still get it. It's all right. All right, I don't know how I missed this, but I went around the jacket section again and I just saw this Alpha Industries jacket. Bro, which rack was this on? This was not here yesterday. Bro, what? This is fucking fire. I'm definitely getting this. Every Alpha Industries jacket I've had has sold so quickly, so I fucking love these jackets and they just look super dope. All right, guys, 3 more sick pieces for today. We got this crazy 90s Adidas jacket. What? This is fucking clean. Usually they price these like expensive, like $50. 27 is still not great, but it's better than $50. Back it, sick. Then we got this dope Y2K Nike hoodie. There's a giant gash in the fucking sleeve, which is kind of funny. I'm gonna ask if they can lower it because they're asking $10. I don't think they saw this though, but not too bad. Then we got this Griezmann French jersey. Very, very nice. 3 lovely pieces that I'm picking up. All right, guys, holy fuck. This jacket is insane. This 2001, 2002, I think, or 2000, I don't know, Arsenal jacket is crazy. This Nike, this is like a $200-300 jacket. This is fucking insane. The size small is a bit shit, but this is not a size small. This fits like a large. Bro, this is insane. And we didn't just stop there. We also got the fucking 550 North Face puffer. Bro, are you kidding me? These are my 2 best finds from today. These are fucking heaters. Holy fuck. Today was a fucking movie. So many jackets today. Bro, literally filled up to the brim with jackets. Bro, honestly, I didn't think there was going to be that many jackets today. That Arsenal jacket, guys. Do you understand how crazy that jacket is? I don't think you do. I had the 2001 Arsenal jersey of that same year, and I sold it for $1,200. So that jacket is crazy. That jacket, I'll probably get like $200 for it. I don't know. I'll see what happens, but still. Today was insane. Hopefully day 3 is the same. Yeah, let's go see. Bye. Day 3, guys. It is -17 outside. It is fucking cold, but that's not gonna stop us. Let's go thrift. Let's go see what we can find. Yo. First find of the morning. It's been super slow, but we ended up finding this University of Hawaii piece. Honestly, I've never seen any Hawaii University pieces ever, so this is a really fucking cool sweater. Made in USA on that TJ's tag. Fucking fire. We also found this cause Sesame Street piece, but it's a kid sizing. So I don't know if I want to get it, but it's fucking dope. If this was men's, would have 100% been no question I would have bought it. All right, guys, it's starting to turn up a little bit. We got this beautiful essential sweater. It's extra, extra small. It's a bit stained, but I think this is authentic. I checked all the tags, it looks good. Then we got this OVO flame shirt. It's very cooked, I'm not gonna lie. Front and back are a bit cooked. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get it. But then there's this brand new 90s Blue Jays piece. Super cool. But they're asking a lot for it. How much are they asking? Fucking $15 for this. It's low-key tax, but I don't know. I'm thinking about it. I might get them, I might not. Let's see. All right, we just found these bait pants as well, but I don't know. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get them. They're low-key taxing and they're kind of ugly, so I don't know. Maybe yes, maybe no. I don't know. Bro, what in the fucking designer? Balmain, D squared, Mason Margiela, bro, what the fuck? All right, so first off, we got this Balmain jacket. This one is 100% authentic. I checked it. Crazy. Then we got this D squared jacket. This was actually from one of the runway shows. I'll probably put a picture for you guys to show you. Bro, the quality on this is insane. Like, I know it's authentic because every little detail is there. That's fucking beautiful. Then this Mason Margiela piece, I didn't find them with these two. I found them in the women's section. So I don't know. This may or may not be real. I don't know, but it looks good. It's only $12, so I'm gonna get it regardless. But bro, what the fuck? Guys, last piece of the day, and it's a fucking banger. This beautiful 90s Nike hoodie. Bro, this is crazy. Such a clean colorway. Super simple. Definitely getting it. 10 bucks, bro. Today has been so fucking good. Wow. Guys, today started off super fucking slow, but holy fuck. Today was so good today. The amount of designer we pulled today was fucking insane. So, yeah, there's not much more to say. I'll see you guys for day 4. Bye! Day 4, let's go, guys. Let's go see what we can find today. Yeah, that's it. I go. All right, guys, I've been thrifting since 8:30 a.m. today. It is 5 p.m. today, and I've only found one thing, and it's this juicy couture top, and that's literally it for today. This was probably like one of my slowest days in a long time, but that's okay. I'm still very happy with this because that backit is gorgeous. I'm speechless, guys. Wow, today was horrible, very slow. Guys, it's literally dark outside. I was trying for like every ounce of time of the day to go in to the thrift store and find something, and I didn't find shit. That's it. It sucks that we have to end the video that way, but I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. We honestly had a pretty good week except for today, not gonna lie. Keeping yourself, keep being beautiful. I'll see you guys for the next vlog. Bye.